Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're interested in learning Japanese and want some great tools to assist you on your journey, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best apps available for Android that can help you master the language. From vocabulary building to conversation practice, these apps offer diverse features to enhance your learning experience. Let's dive in and find out how you can make your Japanese learning fun and effective. Mazii Dictionary to learn Japanese. Mazii Dictionary is a powerful Japanese learning app that combines a comprehensive dictionary with various learning tools. This app allows users to search for words and phrases in both Japanese and English, providing detailed meanings, example sentences, and usage notes. What sets Mazii apart is its flashcard feature, which helps reinforce vocabulary retention through spaced repetition. Additionally, the app includes kanji recognition, allowing users to look up characters by drawing them. With its user-friendly interface and extensive database, Mazii Dictionary is an excellent resource for beginners and advanced learners alike looking to improve their Japanese language skills. Learn Japanese, HeyJapan. Learn Japanese, HeyJapan is an engaging app designed to make learning Japanese enjoyable and interactive. It offers various lessons covering essential vocabulary, grammar, and phrases, suitable for beginners to intermediate learners. The app includes audio pronunciations to help users grasp the correct pronunciation of words and phrases. HeyJapan features quizzes and interactive exercises that reinforce learning by testing users' knowledge in a fun way. Additionally, the app supports various learning modes, allowing users to choose the best approach for their learning style. With a focus on practical language skills, HeyJapan makes Japanese learning accessible and enjoyable. YuSpeak Learn Japanese. YuSpeak Learn Japanese is a unique language learning app that emphasizes speaking and conversational skills. Using speech recognition technology, the app allows users to practice speaking Japanese by conversing with its AI. This interactive feature helps learners improve their pronunciation and confidence in speaking. YuSpeak offers a structured curriculum that includes vocabulary, grammar, and culturally relevant phrases. The app also provides useful feedback and tips for improving language skills. With its focus on real-life conversation and interactive learning, YuSpeak is ideal for users who want to develop their speaking abilities in Japanese effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best Japanese learning apps inspires you to take your language skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.